the wig is on your forehead?
What you talking about?
I'm talking about the wig. This right here is sitting on your forehead. They ain't going nowhere with you with that fucking wig on like that.
What is wrong with my wig? There's nothing wrong with my wig. You the only one see.
One more time.
You was the only one see my wig as an issue. Ain't nothing wrong with my wig. My wig is perfectly fine, and we go on a date like this.
No, we're not. No,
so I'm not gonna take it off.
Clearly, your hairdresser doesn't have a fucking clue what she's doing.
It's your girl Glamorous Tay, or should I say it's your girl Team Tay in the building. And y'all already know, if y'all see this banger, then y'all already know I'm about to come up with a banger. Alright y'all, so I'm about to do this prank on my man wearing this wig on my forehead so that I can get his reaction. If y'all not a part of the game, make sure you guys go ahead right now and subscribe to this banger, comment down below, and also share this video to all your friends and your families and whoever, y'all. So I'm about to, I don't know if I want to do it before or after I get my lashes done, but my eyelashes looking a little dead right now. But yeah, let's get into this video.
What?
Why the wig is on your forehead?
What you talking about?
I'm talking about the wig. This right here is sitting on your forehead.
That's the way I was glued on. What are you talking about?
Well, that glued on wrong. That couldn't glued on that way.
How was it glued on wrong? That's the way she always put it.
Well, you need to change that hairdresser, because that's not how wig put on forehead.
I don't get what's wrong with my wig. You always see my wig like this.
Alright, if you leave it then. I guess it looked perfectly fine to you.
What's wrong with my wig?
It's on your forehead.
You always see my wig like this.
The wig is actually down in your fucking eyes. What are you talking? Look at that before you come out of the house?
No, what do you mean? This is how it was glued on. It's already glued on. It can't even come off.
Yes, it can.
No, it can't.
What do you mean? Then how you change wig all the time?
Because I don't put glue on those. I just put it as a glueless. This is not a glueless, so I can't just take it off. This is how it was glued on.
Nah, you can snatch it off. You just talking shit right now.
No, I'm not. So you want me to snatch it off while we finna go somewhere?
Yeah, it don't matter.
What? But I'm not finna wear my, I think this is perfectly fine. It looks nice just like this. And I'm finna be getting all the men's.
You ain't getting all the men's. What are you talking about?
I'm finna be getting a lot of hollers. Like, you the only one be complaining. You the only one that's complaining about my wig. Ain't nothing wrong with my wig.
Well, if you see that way, continue wearing it.
So what's wrong with my wig?
I just said it 5 minutes ago. You want me to repeat myself like?
Yes. What's wrong with my wig?
It's on your forehead and it's way down on your forehead. That's what I'm saying.
No, it's not. It's perfectly fine.
Okay then. Then if it's perfectly
fine. Let me look in the mirror. Cause I don't see nothing wrong with my wig. And I got my baby hairs.
Then if you ain't seen nothing wrong with it, then continue to wear it. Clearly ain't going nowhere with you with that fucking wig on like that. Figure it out.
So we not finna go on our lunch date? Because of my wig?
With the wig looking like that?
What is wrong with my wig? There's nothing wrong with my wig. You the only one see.
One more time.
You was the only one see my wig as an issue. Ain't nothing wrong with my wig. My wig is perfectly fine. And we go on a date like this.
No, we're not. No.
So I'm not gonna take it off. It's
okay, then we're not going on a date. What are you complaining for then?
It's glued on my forehead.
Okay.
I mean, it's glued. It's glued how it's supposed to be glued. This is how it's always done.
If it glues that way, right? Clearly, your hairdresser doesn't have a fucking clue what she's doing. She doesn't. Because if you consider that looking good, then you and her need to go on a fucking date. I don't know what you're talking about. Like, where does that look
So you want me to go on a date with my stylist?
But you can't come on a date with me with the wig looking like that, man. That ain't gonna work.
So you want me to snatch it off and then I'm gonna snatch off my edges?
Well, call her back and tell her, hey, your husband have a problem with the hair.
So I'm gonna be
call
I'm
her
gonna
back and
snatch
say
off, but I'm gonna snatch
it
off
don't
my
matter if you
edges.
gotta snatch it off. You keep on saying you're snatching. It don't matter if you gotta snatch it off. If this thing doesn't look good, it just doesn't look good.
But it's gonna snatch off my edges.
You're worrying about the edges.
You want me to snatch off my edges?
And I'm worrying about a wig. But you're worrying about the edges. That's crazy.
No, it's not actually. This is gonna snatch off my edges. Then you gonna be walking around. Oh, you need to grow your edges back.
Well, it's the hairdresser, so unfortunately she can fix it.
My edges? Impossible.
Well, put on the fake edges then. I don't know.
Fake edges.
Yeah. The wig doesn't come with edges. You can edge it out.
But the edges, baby hairs right here. You see that? The baby hairs right here. Right here. Baby hairs right here. Slay my hair to the gods.
No, she didn't slay that. So if that's a slay, you don't know what's a slay.
She slayed my hair to the gods. Like, I don't know what you're talking about, but the baby hairs is baby hairing. The wig is wigging. But I thought last night you said you liked it.
No, I didn't. So you hear something different.
So you didn't tell me last night you liked my hair when I came in with my hair like this?
No.
Why? I can't believe you. Maybe you was halfway asleep. Because I know for a fact you said it out your mouth. You said, oh, babe, that look nice. Probably because the lights was turned off or dimmed a little bit. But you did say that. So I don't know how today, it's a whole different conversation.
Well, today's day. Last night was night.
But what lunch date we about to go on? Because
Again, we just said we ain't going on lunch date until the lady fix your hair. How many times I gotta repeat that? Like, stop, my man, and listen to what I'm saying.
that lady is not finna fix my hair because I liked it when I first walked out. So she's not gonna go back and fix
So we're
it.
not gonna have a conversation about it no more, babe. Let it go. That's how it is. And I'm not going on a lunch date with the hair looking like that. Period. That's just it. Ain't nothing to it. So stop making issue out of nothing.
So why we still driving again? We're going the same direction as we going on our day.
We're on our way. We can't turn back around. It's been a minute before we see another exit. I just said it to you just now. It doesn't look good. What more do you want me to say? You're gonna ask me the same question over and over.
I think my hair is perfectly
And
fine.
if you think it's perfectly fine, then keep it on you. But we're not going on a date.
You sure you want my baby hair? Let me call this girl to see if she can fix my hair. Let me see if she'll fix my hair. Let me text her. Let me see what she say. She said she can't fix it today.
I guess we reschedule our appointment.
She said she can't fix it today.
Right? Let's just reschedule already.
No, because we was already on our way there.
If you do that one more time, bro, like, stop. If I said one thing, then just let it go. We're not going there like that. Why you keep on pushing it?
So you got another wig for me to put on?
You just said the wig can't come off. So make up your mind what you're trying to say.
Yeah, but if you want me to snatch it off and snatch my hair off, my baby hair off, then
We're going on a lunch date. Where you gonna get another wig? In the car?
I don't want to reschedule. I want to go on our lunch date. This is what we were originally planned for.
All right, then go. But I'm not there with you. That's just it. Bottom line, bro.
Bro, that's so aggravating to tell me one thing to change your mind the next. You saw my hair like this from last night. So I don't know what's the issue now.
Well, it's this morning now. And I'm looking back at it and it doesn't look.
So it don't look how you want it to look.
It doesn't
Just
look
say that.
presentable. Because it's all the way down on your forehead. What else you want me to say?
That you like it. And that we can go on our lunch date.
No. I'm gonna like something that I looked on this morning and it doesn't look likable.
Likeable.
Of course, it doesn't look that way. It's all the way down in your forehead.
But my friend said it was cute.
Well, you and your friend go on the lunch date then.
My friend said she loved it.
Well,
and she
you-
loved my baby hair because it was slim.
Well, you and her
and it
go
looked
on
like
the
real
lunch
baby hair.
You talking about?
That's what my friend said. So I don't know how you coming up with all of this talking about you don't like it and all of that.
Are you with your friend?
No, but
Okay,
she's
okay.
supposed to be
That's
meeting
it,
us at
that's
the
it.
lunch date.
Ain't nothing more to say. You ain't with your friend. So what are you trying to say?
She's supposed to be meeting us at the lunch date.
I didn't know nothing about that neither.
You didn't? I told you that last night too.
No, you didn't.
Do you got amnesia or something?
That was not a surprise.
You must got amnesia or something because you completely lost. Like you must have fell and bumped your head last night and woke up this morning in a new dimension. Obviously.
You never said we're doing a couple date or a date with a
It's not a couple's. She's a plus one.
Plus who's one?
She's a +1.
But plus
so
one.
it's me and you, and then a +1.
+1.
Yes.
You got all these fucking theories in your head.
So watch when she get there and I get there. She go be like, oh girl, I told you from last night your hair is slaying. It is so cute. And then you gonna be looking stupid like.
No, you all gonna look stupid because y'all are the one going on the date, not me.
So you finna drop me there?
Figure it the fuck out.
Oh my gosh. You are so. Ugh. Anyways. It was a prank. It was a prank. This is so cute. So cute. Yes. In the comments with Team TAYE. Not want to hit traffic after we already started. Y'all see this traffic. This traffic is crazy. Oh, I think we almost by Atlanta, ain't we?
No, we're not.
No.
I'm 44 minutes out.
Dang. That's crazy. Babe, say hey.
Hey.